मुझे वो हसीन दर्द दे दो।
Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are gonna take a trip down the memory lane to react to pretentious movie review of the infamous, the legendary, and probably the cringiest movie to be ever made, the one and only Prem Agan.
Hi guys, welcome to Pretentious Movie Reviews. This week's movie is Prem Agan is the most sexual movie of all time. Oh yeah. There's a fine line between A-grade movies and C-grade movies. It's called B-grade movies.
Okay, so let me be honest. I have watched this review years, many years back. There's hardly anyone who has not seen this review. This review led me to watch the movie. I just wanted to see how bad this movie could be. I have seen like a lot of reviews. There are like hundreds of reviews of this movie, if not thousands, on YouTube. I decided to watch the movie, and once I watched the movie, I don't think any of those reviews do any justice to this movie. This is a masterpiece, and you truly have to watch it to experience it.
For example, guess what this song is about?
You wanna, we wanna, 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 we wanna, oh yeah! Exercise.
Exercise. Tell us if this song means anything else to you.
शाम सुबह आया आया रात दिन आया आया
Anything at all.
दम लगा के move it जोर लगा के do it
Anything. You know, my gym is exactly like this. Oh yeah? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Have you noticed that when something has
It gets weirder when you realize that this movie was directed by Feroz Khan, featuring his son Fardeen Khan. I mean, the sexual content and the sexual innuendos here are so many. You feel secondhand embarrassment watching this movie. Imagine your dad is shooting a movie with dialogues like this. It's a nightmare for me.
when something has two meanings, the other meaning is always sex.
girls do it so do boys
It's never like one meaning is pakoda and second meaning is kachori. It's always like one meaning is pakoda, second meaning is like. Oh yeah. Before we proceed further, there's probably something we should address. Fardeen Khan in this movie doesn't so much act as he reads out the script.
तुमने मुझे किस क्यों किया?
मुझे अच्छा लगा, मैंने कर लिया। ऐसा कुछ नहीं हुआ जो आप सोच रहे हैं। ये तुम्हें बहुत जल्द पता चल जाएगा कि अनाड़ी कौन है, तुम या सूरज।
With amazing enunciation.
महलों में पलने वाले कमीने कुत्ते, तू मेरे बाप तक गया।
Fardeen, I don't think this is working out.
क्या मतलब है तुम्हारा? ये तो बिल्कुल ही काम कर रहा है। फरदीन क्राइज।
फरदीन, तुम नैरेशन के बारे में क्या सोचते हो?
नरेशन, ये तो बस हम स्टीफन हॉकिंग साहब से सीखे हैं।
Fardeen Khan has a perfect voice for OK Google. Like, okay Fardeen,
हाँ बोलो,
मुझे भूख लगी है.
तो खा क्यों नहीं लेते तुम?
Thanks Fardeen.
नो प्रॉब्लम।
I just feel that if Fardeen Khan was not good looking, there was nothing going for him in this movie. I mean, there's no denying he is really handsome, but his dialogue delivery is exactly like KRK's dialogue delivery in the movie Deshdrohi, if I'm not wrong.
मगर क्यों?
He won a Filmfare Award for his acting. I mean, wow. And then they say nepotism doesn't exist. This is the prime example of nepotism, guys. This is, oh god.
In this movie, everyone's name comes with a use case. For example,
नाम सपना और कान सपने देखना।
very nice character.
Very
nice character.
गुड नेम, वेरी यूजफुल। आपका नाम है सूरज। यूज केस क्या है?
मेरा नाम सूरज है।
मुझे सपना कहते हैं।
कहते हैं कि सूरज दिन को और सपना रात को देखा जाता है।
सूरज को तो शाम के वक्त ढलना ही है।
सूरज की तरह सदियों अपनी ही आग में जलता रहूंगा।
और सूरज कभी किरण के जाल में नहीं फंसता।
सूरज कभी नहीं डूबता। सूरज भी शाम की तरफ आहिस्ता आहिस्ता कदम बढ़ाता है।
Oh, I like that one. Suraj's dad is in the army and he talks only in military metaphors, which is amazing.
जंग जरूर जीतोगे, फायर पावर है तुम्हारी मोहब्बत में, कब तक अपने दर्द को कैमोफ्लेज करते रहोगे?
Basically,
The dialogue. I mean, the person who has written this dialogue, that person deserves a Filmfare Award. To come up with such cringe it's a talent in itself.
movie is a social commentary about हमारे देश की लड़कियां. But before we get to that, we must give you some context. So basically, Fardeen and Sapna just met that day.
बहुत खूब लग रही हो उस होली में.
Suraj is just taking pictures randomly.
हिलना मत. से इश्क.
क्या बोलूं?
By the way, ladies, if you feel like your smile is lacking slightly, just say ishq.
जब लड़की मुंह से इश्क का शब्द बोलती है तो चेहरे पर अपने आप एक खास मुस्कुराहट आ जाती है.
Ishq.
इश्क.
वेरी इश्क.
This is so cringy. I mean, this is equivalent to all the cringe reels that we are getting these days. I think in our parents' generation, this was the equivalent of those cringe reels.
Then she asks in slow motion,
Can you please describe to me your first sensual experience with a girl?
Now notice how she says with a girl.
यानी कि मैं अपनी जिस्मानी ताल्लुकात बयान करूं विस्तार से.
by the way, they just met this morning.
वैसे ये तब की बात है जब मैं तुमसे मिला नहीं था.
Once again, they just met this morning. And then he says,
वो एक विदेशी लड़की थी. हमारी देश की लड़कियां तो पहली मुलाकात में कुछ करने ही नहीं देती.
आगे बढ़ो.
Truest thing.
I know, man. That is the point of this movie. The frustration, यार हमारे देश की लड़कियां कुछ करने ही. I like how they say करने नहीं देती, like it sounds like it's against your will.
She left him cold, high and dry.
वो मेरे सामने आकर लेट गई और मैं उसके करीब जाकर बैठ गया.
आगे बोलो.
उसने पाजे पहन रखी थी तुम्हारे जैसी.
आगे बताओ.
And then this happens.
मैं उसके बिल्कुल करीब पहुंच गया.
हरामखोर.
First of all, हमारे देश की लड़कियां कुछ करने नहीं देती. And then she kicks him in the balls. Dude.
सवाल भी करती हो, जवाब भी मांगती हो और फिर मारती भी हो.
But there is a way to make that dirty also.
बहुत दर्द हो रहा है.
कहाँ दर्द हो रहा है?
Oh yeah.
Oh God, I totally forgot about the scene. I mean, imagine your dad is directing this movie. And you're asked to do all these things. Oh my God, this is. Like I can't believe our parents' generation had movies like these, and then they would be like, "हमारे ज़माने की movies, हमारे ज़माने का cinema." This is your ज़माने का cinema.
Like 1 hour 42 minutes into the movie, they get to the point.
Which is the most awkward sex point that is possible. It's time for some hook. The mood is right. They're in some mountains. बाहर बारिश हो रही है. There's a fireplace.
Yeah.
And then she comes and she does this.
सूरज, मुझे वो हसीन दर्द दे दो जिसे आज के बाद मैं किसी दूसरे के साथ ना बांट सकूं.
Haseen Dard.
Then finally, they begin the most natural part of the movie, I feel.
And then you think they did it, but no. Fardeen Khan wakes up, he's like, I don't want to do this because you don't judge bath and shit.
मैंने तुम्हारी मांग में सिंदूर नहीं भरा. अभी हम दोनों के एक होने का वक्त नहीं आया.
And then she's like, oh no, I was testing you.
मैं भी तुम्हारा इम्तिहान ले रही थी सूरज. मुझे खुशी है कि तुम कामयाब हुए.
Yeah, sure you were. Okay.
I mean, this entire movie feels like a Haseen Dard. Once again, his dad is directing this movie.
Totally.
अपनी देश की लड़कियां.
तुम्हें अब घर जाना चाहिए.
She's like, you wanna? He's like, I wanna. She's like, you wanna? He's like, I wanna.
Then he's like, I don't wanna. She's like, even I didn't wanna.
I just want to exercise.
So do I.
She says, I love you. And Fardeen Khan says,
I love you सूरज.
अपनी देश की लड़कियां, if you're listening, please
कुछ करने दो.
take the Haseen Dard, man.
They also find time for some random homophobic statements. Like there is this maybe slightly effeminate guy who helps her out in a situation.
मेरा नाम जय मेरा है. क्या मैं आपकी कोई मदद कर सकता हूँ?
And this is how she reacts.
तुम्हारा नाम जय मेरा नहीं, ये मेरा होना चाहिए था.
This scene was added just for that one joke. The scriptwriter is like, sir, क्या
I mean, clearly this movie did not age well.
जो लिखा है ओके अगर किसी का नाम जे मेरा था और वो गे होगा तो उसका नाम गे मेरा
मेरा हो जाएगा.
ने जो ये सेंट लगा रखा है, छी, सिर्फ औरतें लगाती हैं.
We have some of the best dance moves.
Best, oh yeah. Best bike accident.
हम तो तूफान को समझते हैं खिलौना यारो।
Best wave hit.
अब मैं तुझे पहनूंगा।
And best creepy women.
I still like the way you walk. क्या मस्त चाल है जालिम.
In closing, we would like to say nothing.
In closing, we would like to say कि इस मूवी को देखना एक बहुत ही हसीन दर्द है.
He won the best male debut award. Okay, wow! I knew that he won a Filmfare award. Best male debut makes sense because it was his first movie, which was directed by his dad. In case you forgot, I am going to keep repeating this because I just can't get over the fact that okay, if you have so much money and you are going to launch your son, you have the platform and everything, and this is the script you went for. Oh my god. I mean, his acting is problematic, yes, but at least the script could have been better. Prem Magan is like a gateway drug to all the cringy movies. There is no turning back once you have watched this masterpiece. In fact, this is how my interest in cringy movies started. So, alright folks, there you have it. Our wild ride through this amazing movie, this roller coaster of emotions that you feel in this movie is this is just a review. The movie is on the next level. This review made you want to watch the movie? Oh yeah! Let me know in the comment below. Do not forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more such video and hit that notification bell to get notified on more such videos. Until next time, thanks for watching.
महलों में पलने वाले कमीने कुत्ते, तू मेरे बाप तक गया।